Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're taking good care of yourself. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. Let's study the new rhyme, which is My Body. Wow, what a beautiful picture it is. We can see a mummy, a boy and a pup. So let's study this rhyme. Rhyme is my body. With my eyes I see. We have two eyes. Everybody has two eyes. And what do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. With my mouth I speak. We all have mouth. Ah, yes. And what do we do with our mouth? We speak with our mouth. Everybody speak? Yes. With my nose I sniff. ये रहा छोटा सा क्यूट नोज आप सबका. एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ नोज? स्निफ. स्निफ मीन स्मेल करना, कुछ सूंघना. With my ears I hear. We have two ears. We all have two ears. Yes. And we hear with our ears. हम सब सुनते हैं ना. आप सब मुझे सुन रहे हो. किससे सुन रहे हो? Help of ears. My mummy says, darling come here. किसकी मम्मा कह रही हैं? इस बॉय की मम्मा कह रही हैं, डार्लिंग कम हियर, इधर आ जाओ. आपकी मम्मा भी बुलाती है ना आपको. सो लेट्स रिपीट वन मोर टाइम. With my eyes I see. Yes, repeat with me. With my eyes I see. With my mouth I speak. With my nose I sniff. With my ears I hear. Eyes, nose, mouth and ears. My mummy says, darling come here. इसकी मम्मा कह रही हैं, इधर आओ. मजा आया? Have you all enjoyed this rhyme? मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. So, learn this poem. Till then, enjoy yourself. Happy learning.